If you want to learn how to call anyone on Telegram in seconds, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to start an audio call on Telegram desktop in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to jump on a quick conversation without wasting time searching through menus or settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app loads, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your recent conversations and contacts are displayed. Now, click on the person you want to call. As soon as you open their chat, look toward the top right corner of the conversation window. You should see a phone icon there. That phone icon is what you use to start an audio call. Click the phone icon once, and Telegram will immediately begin placing the call. If the other person has notifications enabled, they'll receive the call right away. From there, you can talk just like you would on any regular voice call. It's simple, fast, and built right into Telegram, so there's no need for extra apps or complicated setup. If the call doesn't start right away, just make sure you're signed in properly and that your microphone permissions are enabled on your computer. That way, Telegram can access your mic and connect the call without any issues. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can call anyone on Telegram using Telegram desktop. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.